The fear of making eye contact is real. Let's break down the 3 key things you should know. Number 1, your mind. It is amazing how powerful our mind can be. Think on the moments when you have a hard time looking at their eyes. What do you say to yourself? I'm not sure. I'm certain it goes along the lines of, they have beautiful eyes. Okay, seriously. In that moment, you're thinking, how many seconds have I been looking into their eyes? Is it weird? Of course it is weird. How would it feel if I was them? I would feel weird too. I don't dare to look at their eyes anymore. Have you experienced someone making weird eye contact with you? And did you then become self-conscious about if you do the same? Where focus goes, thoughts go. If you start to think about breathing, your mind will start to create thoughts about breathing. It's an automatic response. And what you need to do is become comfortable with making eye contact. Well, Samuel, I thought you were going to tell me. Oh, but I will. But first, number 2, connection. It is important that you understand what happens when you make eye contact. I'm listening. Making eye contact with someone is showing that you are willing to connect with them and that you respect them for who they are. But for ourselves, that connection is sometimes too much for us to handle. Because if you think about it, you mainly do it with the people you're close with, and creating that same connection with strangers or co-workers makes it feel awkward. Because you rarely do it with them. That's true. I didn't think of it like that. Also, them looking into our eyes makes us think that they can see our weaknesses and fears. But luckily for us, no one can read minds. So we are creating these insecurities ourselves. The one thing you need to remember when making eye contact is that you accept them for who they are. So if you want to be more comfortable in creating eye contact without feeling the awkwardness, I suggest you do number 3, play. Play? What are you talking about? Play the game of making eye contact. While you speak, the rules of the games are this. Choose one eye to look at and listen. By the way, make sure you blink. Everyone blinks, so use it when it feels awkward. Another option, if you feel like you're looking into their eyes too much, is look in the middle of their forehead or their mouth for 3 seconds. And then look back at the other eye. When you look at their forehead or mouth, you are resetting your mind thinking, yes, I can do this. Quite honestly, they have beautiful eyes. Alright, Samuel, look. The fear of making eye contact is real. But we made it up. It's all in our minds. And also, the more comfortable you become with making eye contact, the easier it'll be for you. The only reason why you feel awkwardness when you make eye contact is because you don't do it often. If you go once to the gym, can you suddenly bench press 160 pounds? I doubt it. You'll feel awkward trying to bench press 160 pounds, which is exactly what is happening to you when you make eye contact but you rarely do it. Apply what you learned. You are closer to becoming a master communicator. Now is your chance to like, subscribe, click the notification bell button or you'll miss out on life-changing content. Make sure to check out this video because it is your next step to becoming a master communicator.